हेलो डियर स्टूडेंट्स, कैसे हैं आप सब। आई होप आप सभी बहुत अच्छे होंगे। तो आइए शुरू करते हैं हमारा नेक्स्ट चैप्टर, जो कि है स्टूडेंट्स चैप्टर नंबर 5, इंटरनेट वर्ल्ड वाइड। तो स्टूडेंट्स, हम इसमें पढ़ने जा रहे हैं इंटरनेट के बारे में, इंटरनेट के फीचर्स और इंटरनेट हमारे लिए कैसे और कहाँ हेल्पफुल है। ठीक है स्टूडेंट्स। सो इंटरनेट क्या है स्टूडेंट्स? इंटरनेट इज अ नेटवर्क ऑफ कंप्यूटर दैट span the whole world. Okay, it is a global system of many small networks interconnected with each other through electronic and wireless. Internet users can share a variety of information and communicate with each other across the world. So students, in simple words, internet is also known as the network of networks. Internet को क्या कहते हैं? Network of networks that are connected via satellite, telephone lines and optical fiber cables. Okay, students, InfoCell में एक information दी हुई है that digital technologies can contribute significantly to the fulfillment of every SDG. The internet helps us with the facts and figures, information and knowledge for personal, social and economic development. तो स्टूडेंट, सबसे पहले पढ़ते हैं एडवांटेजेस ऑफ इंटरनेट के बारे में। The internet has become an integrated part of our life, and a day without might not be impossible और unimaginable. इंटरनेट हमारी लाइफ का इतना इंटीग्रेटेड पार्ट बन चुका है, इतना महत्वपूर्ण पार्ट बन चुका है that we can't imagine a day without internet. Read the following advantages of the internet, students. So you can search for anything on the internet. The internet is a handy platform to upload, download and share data. The internet also provides a good source of entertainment. With the internet, you can connect with people all over the world. Okay, students? The internet is also an excellent place to do business, for it helps you to reach the global users. Online banking is now possible because of internet. Online shopping has made our life easier. Okay, students? Next point is carrying only one small device with an internet connection means having the world full of connections, the world full of information in your hand at once. The internet lets a man sit in one place and explore the world. The internet is probably one of the most revolutionized inventions. Okay, students? Now, let us learn about the uses of internet. The internet has many uses and it has touched the lives of almost everyone, right? So following are some main uses of internet. Read them carefully. So students, your first point is email is the most common use of the internet. Email जो है वो internet का most common use है, which helps in communicating across the world. Web portals and websites are the best way to spread awareness and information. E-banking service through the internet helps to bring the bank at your fingertip. Then internet is the ocean of knowledge. Anything you name it and you will find it there, right? The internet is the best tutor and a medium for spreading education, students, and it is a boon for the students who learn their academics in an interesting audio visual medium. Okay, from food to shopping, from banks to healthcare, everything is available online, right students? The internet has become very affordable nowadays, which has helped the rural population for their growth. Now students, we will learn things required for internet connection. So to connect to the internet, you need the following 4 things, students. Your first thing is, students, a computer. Second thing we need, students, is a modem and telephone line if you are using dial-up access. And if you're not using dial-up access, then you can a data line for some sort. Okay, you can use data line. Third thing we need is the internet browser and software to connect you to the ISP. Fourth is, students, an account with an internet service provider. अब यहाँ पे स्टूडेंट्स से इंफॉर्मेशन दी हुई है इन्फोसेल में that the type of the internet service you choose will largely depend on which internet service provider serves your area along with the types of services they offer. Now students, let's learn regarding some terminology of internet. So there are, students, some terms regarding internet. So first term is website. A website is a collection of web pages that are linked together. For example, yahoo.com. Every website on the internet has a unique address. This address of a website or a web page is called the URL, that means Uniform Resource Locator. Okay students, फिर आता है home page. The home page is the first page of the website. It provides introductory information and links to the other page of the website. Okay students, फिर आता है, students, World Wide Web, यानी कि www is the largest information system on the internet. It contains millions of websites that provide information in the form of text, animations, pictures and videos. ठीक है, फिर आता है, students, web browser. A web browser is an application software that is used to access information on the websites. For example, Internet Explorer, Microsoft Edge, Google Chrome and Mozilla Firefox. उसके बाद, student, search engine. A search engine is a software program that helps people to find the information they are looking for online using keywords or phrases. ठीक है. For example, Yahoo, Google, Bing are some search engines. Search engines are able to return results quickly even with millions of websites online by scanning the internet continuously and indexing every page they find. Now students, उसके बाद आता है opening the web browser. The web browser takes you anywhere on the internet. ठीक है, web browser आपको कहीं भी इंटरनेट पे ले जा सकता है, letting you see the text, images and videos from anywhere in the world. Students, अब हम सीखेंगे कि web browser open कैसे करना है. So click on the start button, click on all apps, scroll through the app list until you reach the web browser. Let's say Google Chrome and click on the icon. Okay students, the Google Chrome browser will appear on the screen. अब students समझते हैं searching for a website through a web browser. कैसे हम किसी वेबसाइट को सर्च कर सकते हैं वेब ब्राउजर के थ्रू. So there are many different search engines you can use, but some of the most popular include Google, Yahoo and Bing. To perform a search, you will need to navigate to a search engine in your web browser, students. So let's search for a website with the help of the web browser. So students, first of all, you have to type one or more keywords also known as search items. इन्हें search items कहते हैं. Press enter on your keyboard and in this example, we will search for story books. Okay. After you run a search, you will see a list of relevant websites that match your search terms. Okay. These are commonly known as search results. If you see a site that looks interesting, you can click a link to open it. Okay. If the site doesn't have what you need, it can simply return to the results page to look for more options. Okay students, so now we are done with this chapter. I hope you understood this chapter very well, students. Let's go through some important points of this chapter. So students, first point is you can search for anything on the internet. Online shopping has made our lives easier. Email is the most common use of internet, which helps in communicating across the world. A website is a collection of related web pages that are linked together. Students, there are many different search engines you can use, but some of the most popular include Google, Yahoo and Bing. स्टूडेंट्स, आई होप ये चैप्टर अब आपको समझ आया होगा. आपको ये चैप्टर वापस पढ़ना है. ओके स्टूडेंट्स, और इसका प्रैक्टिकल करना है. ओके स्टूडेंट्स, वी विल मीट इन द नेक्स्ट क्लास विद अ न्यू वीडियो. टिल देन, कीप रिवाइजिंग, कीप लर्निंग. थैंक यू. ऑल द बेस्ट.